Hey guys, Manatee Gaming here. I changed my name from Destroyer just because I like manatees better. And so today I've got a game that I downloaded from place from a game store you can get called Steam. It's for free. You can set up an account. It's really easy. And I think, I don't know. But never mind that, what I was saying at all, because this game is fun. It's awesome. And you get to explode things with explosives. So, I think everyone likes explosives. So I've done a little bit, which is not a lot actually at all. I just messed around with it. So, without further ado, let's just play. So I got this skin from playing it a while back. And you got, this is the first skin, it's like a little human. Here, that's what it looks like, number one. But I like my little robot person. You can see his little number on his chest as well. Okay, so first thing you have to do, let's see. Place a mine. Explode a mine. Explode a mine 3 times. Clear a screen. Alright, well I've got some stuff in the way of my thing right now, so let's just move the page up. There we go. Okay, mine. Click. 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 Oh. I'm out of money. Okay. Now, drop. Plop. Oh, cool. We got some things. Oh. That wasn't good. Okay. Clear screen. So get record minute. Not record minute. Something. Oh, well, we get something. Okay. Now, try again. But it always has different ways. So if you keep doing it one way, yeah, see, like, last time he launched to my right, now he launched to my left. Okay, let's move this here. No, there, yes. Okay, let's get a mine here. Here, here, here. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, we got jumper pads. Okay, we'll use them next. Alright, now let's see where it goes. Here. Here, here. Ooh, we got spikes. Okay. Now that's done, let's just get the spikes. Where can we put these spikes? The spikes. The spikes, no doubt. Okay, let's put it right there. Oh, we can use the jumpers. Okay, jumper there. Let's just use that. Okay, and boing, spikes. Whee! Ouch. Whee! Ouch. Whee! Ouch. Whee! Ouch. Oh. Okay, well, we did some stuff. We got quite a lot of money from it, actually. So let's just clear out Ooh, we got an upgrade. So you can upgrade your things like this. You can place it on the wall, which is in the middle. And they got guns. I don't know why that says fired guns. It should say firearms, maybe. But here we go. We got place them on the floor, the walls, miscellaneous, which are the jumpers. And this counts as the left and right jumpers. And let's make it explode. And walls and ceiling. Okay. Actually, no. And look, you can just like reset your that. You can just like leave one if you want to do something later. Okay. Now let's just put one here. 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 I'm actually not even clicking, I'm just holding it. So you can, if you just slowly hold it and drag it, it goes across the floor. Alright, let's get rid of that. Go over here. Spikies. Here. Spikies. Here. Oh, okay, we're out of money. Let's just get this one. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, there we go. And this one. Out. Okay. Now we got more spikes. Okay, there goes that one. Okay, spikes here. Let's see, spikes. There. Okay, let's see how this goes. Boink. Boink. Spikes. Okay, so we have to deal 500 and 1,000 damage. Ooh, it's about to explode in one more jump. Yes. spikes. Ooh, those both are gonna explode. Do both more damage. Ooh, look at them spikies. Look at all the blues. Oh no, no. Hit the spikes, please. Hit it, yes, no. Yes. Yes. I like how it just like slowly falls off and uses spikes. Come on. And up. And up again. Explosion. Explosion again. Explosion. Alright. That seemed to do pretty good. Now let's just clear out all of that. We got $1,817. Sauce. Oh, I remember what I did last time. Okay, so look. This is what I like to do for fun. Oh, no, messed that up. Let's just clear that out again. Okay, so you can make like a little train track with them. Not really a train track, but you can like just carry them down into a floor or something, like to some spikes or a bouncer or whatever else you got. I don't know. And then you can like grind them to do extra damage, like this. He just has to be able to fit pretty much. Look, so just Well, you can't let him do the splits. Oh, we're going to get it. Come on. Go. Go, number 15. Yes. Thank you, little Saul. Okay. Let's try that again. Don't do the splits, please. Yes, he didn't. Okay. So, he should just... Yeah. That didn't really work as I planned. Okay. Let's just completely get rid of all of that. Alright, now travel 20 meters on saws. Okay, how did I do this last time? Nope, okay. That, no. Nah, not really, no. Here. So 20 meters, so spread them out a little bit. And make sure he can, get moving a little. Ooh, wait, hold on. The pistol thingies are shining. So let's see what we got. Ooh, crossbow. Awesome. Crossbow here, crossbow there. And crossbow everywhere. Okay. And here we go. Let's see. What does he do? Oh, okay. Those crossbows are nice. Oh, one missed. Oh, well, they're done. Oh, well, travel 20 meters on the saws didn't really go that effective. We can make him go backwards. I wonder what that will do. When he gets trapped in it. Okay, you know what? I got an idea. Let's just put him in the middle of a bunch of crossbows. Slowly going. Alright. Almost got enough. Oh, we're going to have enough for both sides, I think. Okay. Now let's get jumpers. One to go to the left. So like that. And like that. And like that. And like... That's it. Alright, now. So, yep. Nope. Okay, so we obviously have to get way over here. It's a problem, but I can deal with it. Dang it. Okay, well, that's as good as it's going to get. Go. Okay. It's dropping. You know what? Let's do some speed ups. Is that all? You know what? Let's do slow-mo. I think slow-mo would make it look awesome. Look. Oh, yeah. Oh, he just flipping juked that one. Shouldn't do? Wait, why aren't they shooting? I guess they don't have a clear shot. I would have shot if I was them. Okay, let's... Oh, there they go. Okay. Oh, he didn't make it. Oh, well. Okay, now, let's see. Got an upgrade that we left. So, 50% more ammo. That's nice. Place it everywhere, though. Even better. Okay, we got a whole lot more money. Now let's just get one here, here, here. There we go. Okay, now, let's see what it does. Bounce, shoot, 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 just over one. Ooh, we're passing. Ooh, we got teleporters. Ooh, we got shotguns. Look out. Oh, he's out of range, isn't he? Oh well. We did good. We get, 142 extra dollar dues. Okay. Now, we got a shotgun, which I want to use. Shotgun. 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 I'm going to act like they're very effective at close range. So let's just do that. So now we got teleporter. Teleporter. Okay. Sure. Now we get the jumpers, the jumper juice. Okay, and jump here, jump here, and here. And a little more over here, and nope. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's see what it does. Boom. Oh. What do you know? It did do pretty good. Oh, the shotguns are done. Oh! That's doing damage. Actually, it's doing a lot of damage. Whoa. Well, guys, I think if you just like leave this on for an hour, it'll keep doing what you want it to do. Ooh, we're gonna get something else. What's that gonna be? It's going to be a minigun. Okay, well that's just gonna keep doing damage. So I think that's going to be it for today. $43. Clear out everything. Okay, minigun is something I want to use. One here. As usual, let's just line it up on the wall. Okay, this is going to be the last one because we're just about out of time for the video. I really don't want it to be over though, so I'll probably make another one tomorrow. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, never mind, this is not the last one. We got a few more minutes, I guess. So I'm just going to do that. That. There we go. Okay. This actually will be the last one, possibly. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at how accurate they are. Well, let's get a slow motion. Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. Look. Oh, it looks like a flippin' action movie. Awesome. Look at him bounce. Okay, now speed it up. Now speed. Oh, well. Alright guys, I'm afraid that wraps it up for this video. We only have like, I'd say 20 seconds left. So I guess that's it for this video, and I'll see you all guys next time.